when you're out of beer and you're driving your vehicle, you gotta mob that motherfucker right there to the nearest liquor store on the corner. Let's go get that beer. Georgia.
Yeah, changing in the weather got hot. Over the past year, a lot of niggas with props drop. So I thank you for my life and all that I got. With this is the shit I can fix, nigga. I miss you. There's no room when you try. Hey, let me see you get loose. 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 Turn your head and she bout to get snagged. Get a dick to him once, give him look like crack. Take a palm in the face, yeah, like it like that. Holding on to her waist while I hit it from the back. Get your cold pussy pump, she ain't never coming back. I'm saying, talk you dirty as shit and all that. Gotta move it up, prove to what I'm saying. All fast, run bad is all black. There's some real top stacks, like it to the Z. If you're talking about running your mouth, like you know me, you gon' fuck on me before I hit you when you taking your sleeves off as much as we still hard to please. Don't be lying, bitch, in the pride, so get the best of loss, cause your ass is right, your phone label is right, and matter of fact,
Damn, it feels good up in this bitch. Let's see. I told you your boy would be picking out that shit. That shit. When you gotta load your beer up, it's a real heavy load. You gotta put that bitch in the bucket. Yep. Gotta put it in the cart.